Okay, so we've got a rectangle here, has longer side 2x plus 3 and shorter side x plus 1. The m stands for meters, right? Meters in terms of the length. Its area is 66 meters squared. So I've mocked up a sketch here, that sometimes helps, okay? And we've got to determine the length of the long and short sides of the rectangle. So we want this actual length, we want this actual width, right? But what's good is they give me the area. Okay, they say, look, the area is 66. Okay, and you've got to ask yourself, well, how do I get the area? Well, of course, because it's a rectangle, it's just length times width, isn't it? Will give me the area of 66. So the length here is 2x plus 3, and the width is x plus 1, and it equals 66. And the question is then, where do we go from here? Because we've got two brackets, haven't we, here? But we can't solve them because it doesn't equal 0, right? If it equals 0, then you could put, either this bracket 0 or this bracket 0. But when it equals to a number, then you can't do that, right? So what I would do is I'd expand all this now, right? So I'd do FOIL on it. So first, 2x times x is 2x squared. Outers, 2x times 1 is 2x. Inners, 3 times x is 3x. Lasts, 3 times 1 is 3. And that will equal 66. Simplify it. 2x squared, put them together, you get 5x. Now, you've got 3 here. Of course, take the 66 over to get it equals to 0. So, 3 take away 66 is minus 63. Okay? Minus 63. And that equals 0. And now we've got a quadratic equals to 0. So now we can pair it up again. We can put it into two brackets. But this time it'll be equal to 0. And if it equals 0, you can then solve them. Okay? You can see either bracket 0. So if I put 2x in both brackets, because it's 2x squared there, the multiply add thing, well, I need to multiply it. Got a 2 there, so 2 times the minus 63 is going to be minus 126. So it's got to multiply 2 and add up to give 5. Okay, add up to give 5. Now let's think here. 126, well, 2 goes into it, doesn't it? 63 times. Well, I can't get 5 from there. 3, I think 3 goes into it. Let's see how many times 3 goes into it. 126 divided by 3 is 42. Now, I can't get 5 from that. 4 goes into it, possibly, does it? Oh, I'm not sure. Divided by 4, no, it doesn't. 4 doesn't go into it. 5 doesn't go into it. 6, does 6 go into it? 6 goes into it 21 times. Now, can I get 5 from there? No, we can't. We can't get 5 from there, so that's no good. Does 7 go into it? 18 times. Can I get 5 from there? 7 and 18? No. Does 8 go into it? No. Does 9 go into it? 9 goes into it 14 times. Okay, 9 goes into 126 14 times. Can I get 5 from it? I can, can't I? If I make plus 14 minus 9, that will give me 5, won't it? If I take away 9 from 14, bro, and I multiply to give that. So I'm going to put minus 9 there. I'll put plus 14 here, equals to 0. Remember then, we've got to pay back, so we've got to divide by 2, because I times by 2 here at the beginning, didn't I? So, first bracket, any common factors? I can't see any. The second bracket, there's a common factor of 2, isn't it? So I can take 2 out. X plus 7 equals 0. And I'll be all over 2, so the 2's will cancel. So I have 2x minus 9 equals 0, or x plus 7 equals 0. Now, notice in this case, x will be minus 7. Now actually, because of what this is referring to, that would be impossible, wouldn't it? Because if you remember, x plus 1 is the short side, while if x is minus 7, and if you add 1 to it, you can have negative. You can't have negative length, okay? So just say it's impossible. This one will work when 2x is equal to 9, so x is equal to 9 over 2. So all you've got to do then is you've got to sub it in, right? So the length is equal to 2x plus 3. So you put it in, you put the x value in, and use your calculator, okay, and you get out 12. And then there's the width is just x plus 1. So it'll be 9 over 2 plus 1, which is equal to 11 over 2. Okay, and we're done.